I'm really pleased to have here on the podium with us today Custodian and Allied Insurance Company together with Crusader as well.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, everybody. On my extreme left is Mr. Oluwole Oshin, who is the Managing Director of Crusader General Insurance. Next to him is Mr. Richard Sabia, who is the Chairman of Crusader Nigeria PLC. To the right is Adenike Obison. She's the Company Secretary of Custodian and Allied Insurance Company.
There is a recent merger of Crusader Insurance into Custodian and Allied, and the two companies are now one. The shares of Crusader were delisted, I believe, first thing this morning, and additional shares added to Custodian and Allied today as well by the market operations people. I believe you must have all seen the notes and updates and bulletin. So I think without much ado, let me hand over to Mr. Oshin to perhaps give an update on the merger and what we should all be looking out for.
Today, we will have Custodian and Allied Insurance PLC and no longer Crusader Nigeria PLC. But why have we gone this route? The reason why we've done this is because we've looked at the insurance sector and the market as a whole, and we found out that the only way in which growth can be accelerated is through organic growth, of course, through our general business generation, as well as integrations, mergers and acquisitions. Crusader happened to be one very good company that we felt there was value in. And we therefore started talking to them. And the whole idea of coming together is because Custodian has looked at the combination of the two institutions, the synergy that will come out of the combination, which is diversifying from the general insurance business into life business as well as pension business. So I want to encourage you, to actually take a second look at the insurance sector. We will be engaging brokers, and I know that the industry as a whole will be engaging brokers so that you can have a better understanding of the sector, and we will also have a better understanding of the way you view the business.
Crusader has 7,585,294,730 units of shares, which is now being converted at the rate of 34 of Crusader to 8 of Custodian. And this is after the financial advisors and the two companies agreed on the conversion rate. And of course, that effectively brings in 781,017,387 units out of Crusader into Custodian. And of course, the issued Custodian has 3.7 billion units of shares, authorized share capital, and out of which 5,100,846,808 units have been issued to date. When you add the 781,017,387 units to that, you have a total units of 5,881,864,195 units of Custodian shares. We are only listing, don't forget that the 5.1 billion is already listed, and we are adding 781,017,387 units today, while the 7.5 billion units of Crusader shares will be cancelled. So henceforth, the Crusader ceases, and we now have a new and improved Custodian.
Well, there's been good growth in the insurance industry in recent times, as you will see from gross premiums generated by insurance companies across the industry. But we believe that growth will also occur apart from inorganic growth, that will grow this industry through acquisitions and mergers. We have started. I know that a lot more mergers will be coming up and acquisitions will be coming up. We have over 50 insurance companies in the market. There is the belief that the number is excessive and that we need to prune down. Through mergers and acquisitions, we believe quite a number of companies of shared interest and shared vision will ultimately come together. Well, I think if you look at Crusader as a group is a group that is very solid in assets. They're very solid life insurance company. We never had life. They're into pension business. They're into general insurance business. Now, what the synergy has done for us is to unlock the value in Crusader. And in doing that, we are a cash-rich company, and we felt that we needed to deploy some of the cash that we had, into the acquisition. So the synergy at the end of the day, when you hopefully see the results, you begin to see that we've been able to turn things around. Well, I think as time goes on, the Nigerian populace will begin to understand that insuring their lives is real, and that the true sums insured that come out of insuring, that they could actually create an estate, an immediate estate for their dependents simply by taking up life insurance business. You do not need to have 1 million naira, you don't need to have 10 billion naira physically. All you need to do is to pay a token premium and you create an immediate estate for your family. Perception also affects the market. Very rarely do you find stars singled out in a sector and the entire sector is not affected. So from our own point of view, we believe that there still needs to be a better understanding of the accounting of insurance. We believe that brokers view insurance accounting the way they view bank accounting, and it isn't so. There's still not a good understanding of the way insurance business is accounted for. When they do have that understanding, I believe that the reaction, in the sector will be completely changed.